The OPPO Find N6 is OPPO's next-generation premium foldable smartphone, designed to compete with other flagship foldables in the market. It focuses on three major areas: a nearly crease-free folding display, powerful flagship performance, and an advanced camera system co-developed with Hasselblad. The device represents OPPO's attempt to push foldable technology further with a stronger hinge design, improved display durability, and AI-driven features. The OPPO Find N6 features a book-style foldable design with a newly engineered titanium alloy dome hinge and dome memory glass technology. This design aims to reduce the visible crease that usually appears on foldable screens. OPPO claims the crease becomes almost invisible under normal viewing conditions, giving the device a flatter and smoother display experience. The phone is built with premium materials and offers a slim foldable form factor. When unfolded, it turns into a tablet-like device, making it ideal for productivity, media consumption, and multitasking. The device also supports the OPPO AI stylus, allowing users to draw, take notes, or interact with the interface more precisely on the large screen. The Find N6 offers two high-quality displays. The main foldable screen measures 8.12 inches, giving users a tablet-like workspace with vibrant colors and high resolution. The external display measures 6.62 inches, functioning like a standard smartphone screen for quick tasks. Both screens support LTPO OLED technology and a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth animations and responsive scrolling. The combination of ultra-thin glass and improved hinge engineering allows the display to remain durable even after thousands of folds. This technology aims to make foldables more reliable for everyday use. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a high-end chipset designed for flagship devices. It delivers strong performance for gaming, multitasking, AI processing, and demanding applications. The device supports up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, making it suitable for power users and content creators. The phone runs Android 16 with ColorOS 16, offering features optimized for large screens. These include split-screen multitasking, floating windows, and AI tools that enhance productivity and everyday usage. One of the biggest highlights of the OPPO Find N6 is its advanced camera system, co-engineered with Hasselblad. The device reportedly features a 200-megapixel sensor, along with additional lenses for ultra-wide and telephoto photography. This setup aims to deliver professional-level photos with accurate color reproduction and improved detail. The camera system is designed to handle various shooting scenarios such as portraits, zoom photography, and landscape shots. The presence of a multispectral sensor further helps improve color accuracy and image processing. The OPPO Find N6 includes a large battery of around 6,000 mAh, which is impressive for a foldable smartphone. It supports 80W fast wired charging and 50W wireless charging, allowing the device to recharge quickly and stay powered throughout the day. The OPPO Find N6 looks like a strong contender in the foldable smartphone market. Its nearly crease-free display, powerful chipset, large battery, and high-resolution camera system make it one of the most advanced foldable devices announced so far. If OPPO's new hinge technology truly reduces the crease and maintains durability over time, the Find N6 could set a new standard for foldable smartphones.